So the process to close all tabs on Safari on your iPhone is quite easy and simple. So even if you have 500 tabs or whatever, the process is quite simple. Just open up your Safari browser, and once it is open, you can see the tab icon is at the right bottom. Tap on this, and here you can see I have 5 tabs open. So to close all the tabs, just go to any tab, and what you need to do is tap on this tab icon at the right bottom corner, so for a while. So you need to just go and press it for a while, and this would open up. Now at the tab at the top, you can see close all 5 tabs. It says close, and you can see now everything is closed and you have only one page open, that is a start page. So hope by doing so you'll be able to close all the tabs on Safari on your iPhone. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.